Okay, we're finally at the last problem. I think this will be the end of the videos finally. I'm not sure even how many this makes. But okay, so here we left off with, this is the formula to find the monthly payment. So I'm going to say 174,250 is going to be equal to D times 1 minus 1 plus R over K. I'm sorry, 1 minus 1, and I'm actually supposed to be filling these in. So 1 minus, in parentheses, 1 plus 0.0365 all over 12. And I'm going to raise that to the negative 12 times 30, and then I'm going to divide that by 0.0365 over 12. So this is going to be 174,250 is equal to, alright, so I'm going to do 0.0365 divided by 12 plus 1, and then I'm going to raise that to the negative 12 times 30 power, and then I'm going to take 1 minus that, 0.335096. So and then I'm going to divide that by 0.0365 divided by 12. So what I get on this side is D. I end up getting D times 218.599. And then I'm going to divide by 218.599 on both sides. And then I'm going to get D is equal to, let's write it this way, so D is equal to 797.12. So how much will your payment be? It will be 797.12. And how much interest do you pay? Well, if we're going to pay 797.12 each month for 30 years, right? We're going to end up paying a total of $286,964. And since I borrowed 174,250, all I have to do is subtract to find the interest that I pay. So the interest that I pay will be 112,714. So 112,714. Alright, I hope that these several videos have helped with the study guide. Now remember, if you have any of your answers that are slightly off or slightly different than mine, it's probably just rounding. Alright, let me know if you have any questions, and I will talk to you later.